How to get over the fear of video marketing for your business. Gain the confidence to show up on video to grow your brand and business. Hello everyone, my name is Nicole and welcome to my channel for tips on social media marketing, how to get over the fear of video marketing, women empowerment, and branding. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload a video every Wednesday. I've uploaded over 200 videos on YouTube and other social media platforms. I've gained the confidence to come on video and have used social media marketing professionally for over 3 years. So how to get over the fear of video? Tip number 1 is identify the fear. If you don't know what fear you have or which fear is affecting you the most, you're not going to know how to challenge that fear, how to release that fear, how to get over that fear. Check out this video right over here, which is the insecurities girls have when marketing on social media. Understanding the 4 insecurities is very important. It's the insecurity of how you look, the insecurity of what family and friends are going to say, the insecurity of what potential customers are going to say, and the insecurity of knowledge, which is imposter syndrome. Check out this video to check that out. Tip number 2 is release the fear. One of the things that I do is I like to have small challenges. I will do something as small as it is, but something that I know I'm a little bit scared of, even if it's something that really isn't that big. The other day, I went and I challenged myself to say bye to one of the employees at Starbucks that I saw and I was speaking to. And even those little things, sometimes we want to rush out of Starbucks and not say bye to anyone. And I think using those challenges, it helps us get over the fear a little bit better. The more we practice these small challenges, the easier it is to get over the fear. Tip number 3 is getting comfortable in front of the camera. Some of the things that I would recommend is the location. Make sure that the location that you are filming the video in is somewhere where you are naturally comfortable being in. One of the things I do is I film in my room because this is a place that I am natural in. But if your natural state is in a studio, if your natural state is on the couch, wherever your natural state is, in a car, wherever you feel more comfortable, start taking videos there. Wherever you feel more comfortable, start filming videos there. Even if it's somewhere in a park, wherever you feel the most comfortable, that is where you should start with location-wise. Another part of being comfortable is also the vibe. Make sure that how you act on camera is how you normally act when you are having a conversation with people. Are you actually more hyper? Are you more mellowed out? One of the issues that I had is when I first started filming, I wasn't myself. Like naturally, I am very I'm moving a lot, I'm going like this. Even though I'm standing, you will see me kind of shift around at times. Even though it seems like I'm not moving, I'm lifting my feet up, I'm lifting my feet down, I'm moving my hands. In the beginning, I was sitting in a chair and I was just focused and I was super calm, and I think not being natural, because that's how I would see a lot of people doing on camera, and not being natural to me messed up my vibe in the beginning. So I would recommend making sure the vibe that you are naturally in when you're having fun and you're with friends, that vibe you should also translate on camera. Comment down below, what is your vibe? Are you more hyper? Are you more calm? Are you loud and passionate? Are you excited? Let me know down below what is your type of vibe. And tip number 4 is remember, practice makes perfect. I know it sounds like a cliche, but at the end of the day, if you are not continuously doing something, you are not going to get better at it. Trial and error is very important. Testing, making sure you're trying to figure out what do you like better. Do you like saying this better? Do you like saying that better? Test it out. See what you like. See what you don't like. And from there, you can adjust over time. Remember, do it until it feels normal. Now you know how to get over the fear of video marketing. But do you know which fear is stopping you the most? Down below, I have a checklist so you can figure out which fear is stopping you the most so you can be confident in showing up on video for your business. Check out these videos right over here for gaining confidence in social media video marketing for your business. Don't forget to like if you like this video, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. You know your friends need this video, so go share it. I love you guys. Bye.